All right, and we are talking about some hot temperatures here. 91 right now, feels like 97. We are in for a steeper, not just of a weekend, but heading into next week as well. We're looking at triple-digit feels like temperatures with dew points there into the 70s, humidity at 50%. All right, let's check in on the conditions right now. We still have showers and thunderstorms that have been firing, particularly across Broward County in Fort Lauderdale. We're seeing these storms continuing to push out towards the east. Nothing as far as lightning here, so these are not the storms that we've been tracking the last few days. So still some downpours, I know, on your Friday there, but we'll get rid of these. I think heading into the next couple of hours we'll be in much better shape. And there you see most of Miami-Dade looking pretty good. Now Aventura heading down towards North Bay Village, seeing some showers about to cross Bay Harbor Islands. That will be off the coast in just about half an hour or so. And then we're still tracking some outflow boundaries that continue to trigger some additional storms potentially later on this evening across southern Miami-Dade. There's that shower. Hasn't moved much over Marathon, still raining on top of you there with moderate rainfall right now. So I widen out the shot. This southwesterly wind that's been with us, that has been pumping in all the moisture, that is still going to play a role in our weather the next few days. But I think the moisture will be a bit more limited for tomorrow, so the rain chances in the afternoon aren't going to be as high. You'll see that on our rain tracker. So tomorrow looks like the drier, certainly of both weekend days. Not that Sunday's going to be a washout, but we'll have more coverage on Sunday afternoon as we get that boundary of more tropical air continuing to move in from south to north with more showers and storms. It's going to continue for the early part of next week. So there is that very tropical band of moisture that is going to get shunted a little further south and east. So this is where we were this week, and this is enough, I think, for rain chances to come down to about 30%. It also allows thunderstorms to develop, not to put down a quick 3 inches of rainfall, which is where we've been, though that moisture tries to come back at us late into the weekend and early next week. So for the rest of the evening, quieting down. Notice through tomorrow morning, nothing doing, just a few cumulus clouds. We'll begin to build those through the afternoon, but it's going to take, all day, and between 1 and 2 o'clock, you'll see rain tracker here not filling in as much as we have over the last several days. So not calling for a dry weekend by any stretch, but it is going to be limited coverage for tomorrow, which will allow us to enjoy a good chunk of the weekend outdoors. Sunday, a little more activity. You'll see that noticing between 2 and 6 o'clock. Everything then pushes to the east, but coverage even on Sunday, I think about 40%. So we're looking pretty good. Looking fantastic in the tropics, by the way. We've been checking, of course, each day. Next 7 days as we go out a whole week now. Nothing doing as far as any development. And if you're making it a beach day, it looks good. The rip current risk is going to be low. UV index, of course, extreme this time of year, and the water temperature nice and toasty now in the 80s. 30 to 40%. That's it for rain chances this weekend, and then we'll bump that up a little bit for Monday, but a generally dry and very hot week coming up for next week.